very easy to tell a kid, oh, look at this wacky duck, ha
Yeah.
ha ha ha, this and that, and oh man, people were just killing ducks. Oh, why are they killing the funny ducks? Oh no, we should protect them.
Yeah.
Yeah, we should protect the funny ducks, and it's easy, right? Because it made you happy, and nature means different things for different people,
Right.
right? You don't have to understand the totality of the Earth's going to be the ecosystem's going to crash because this is a cornerstone species and blah 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 blah
Yeah.
blah. Like all of that is too high level, and people don't.
Yeah.
It's too expensive mentally.
And sometimes the lower level too is okay, let's have empathy
Mhm.
and let's appreciate nature. And like
Yeah.
that is accomplished by
Yeah.
that.